Attention TV Estimobia Kwaba Ede Ebasun Patrol. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow, like, comment, and share. Facebook and so follow, like, comment, and also share. Na ebusia for Edu na Edu our social media say him say che bia no ne Amankrado enya beef ba kumienu bi na enumu ana na waba abonte a wechi ma kire say e kam yakoye say beef no ne Amankrado enya ye no ebusia for akoye say Amankrado ede no ko sikeduro so alleged ono ana kind ensem de na Edu ede bebree ana beto abonte so yenko na yenko tie no emba.
Another set of generation that lie out of compassion, inconsistency, and inconfidence. But programming 3 years, I'm a Peter Paradise. One time for your mind. Or change over to what you say and talk on Facebook in Tokwanti. Now you never point to the didn't come suffer. When you said the uncle for you now, the person is sick and I said, "I so down how near my name was." Pinch me, I remember. We know be any answer. Don't you mean now? Who faces a makotobi? When the man was saying, Eric, you were there. We share himself. What kind of a man is this? I don't know. Be what you know, Yana. I know be what Yana. Yes. Nimuchemono. Sadly be nim. I am blood party no. It will be to because a papa be pound. Uko konto kamana obey 10%. And you are noir. Hey, Ejakusi. They cannot stop hating him because there are some people on earth that carry the bloodline of the serpent of Cain. No matter what you do, they must be there in order for Abel to be glorified. And the blood is still speaking. Don't only depend on somebody that concentrates on the brain, but look at people that check blood patterns. Sir, me see ebe shock say obi osiri kama but ni before chaboa it is in his blood. Or you good pow. He only say to the bia de oye no oru kwa wonim de ntia oye wo. He o power line omo so bi tie so for pan up. Just what you say, the food that some says is sex is true. Now the me came now. I don't want to say something, but they can want some one day. You can want some. You can want some. Blood is very powerful, sir. Check the blood, oh. Check the blood. Check the blood pattern. But see, Obu, I said, what the next say? Why are you fighting Sopho Usman Ba? On to me can't tell. You know why? The ancestors of Sopho Usman Ba. Only baby or free na mimono. There is a grudge between his ancestors. And Nipana were fighting his ancestors. It was an entity. To me, cat was say, Ufia Kwana Busium, Ukowe Busium, and Kowe Busium, because when you meet, the blood that is behind sins will start crashing on the altar. Will be no problem. That is why some people are able to read colors. They read months. They read days. They read people you must get acquainted to. Or to make it was men will be a one Thursday. You will just say on this date. Why? Because dates, times, calendars are very, very important. Very important. But I'm telling you, there are some people when you get married to, we think our really to me, you know. Oh, if I oil the was as we soon they go to so. I guess a mojana kasama, it will break. It will be sure be in a relationship. Tell you, the body is very good. But mojana will be big coso. And that's how you never coso. Oh, to me, why don't that? A lot of us are hurt about previous relationships because we think people never dealt with us well. But ask yourself, what was in the bloodline? Ask yourself that question. Only the poor bra, only the tornado go, and some of us all was a summer bow ranimu. No, I saw no a popo in here, then it still begins to run in the lineage and in the bloodline of the guy. Then if you are muscle. It is not him. Blood is thicker than character. It is blood that determines what character is. I'm telling you. God bless you for the comments. I mean, sir, and you say me nyansa, but Mister Kakra, madwene wa me no channel no. Etin who answers I'll be so to me afrem no watch me. Ah, what's the day to me trust? A chant to an emotion. When God breathed into man, man became a living soul. Sa soul no mono. And then a body now mo. But want to me you not caught in chant to be so me for no to do. But obi be simple. Bisa unsa. Mama fear jiwa, brother sorry, sweet mom, na me so.
Subscribe to Ghana Updates for latest news.
Apostle Nat, na me so to forward na me show bibia. Mami for so na me shamo, na me shamo. Ye na yesua de oba na se bia me ka bibi man kan ya na de a cheme. Bisa unsa. Obi ni obi be kontokwa. But unto me can't turn to so da. O twa obi orum kra no, o ya de na be jana nim. To go o pese un can't turn no, o to me ka say look into my eye. When the prosecutor wants to interrogate you, look into my eye. The more you are looking into his eyes, the more he's reading signs, looking at figures, figurative languages, body languages. But obey to me in a comfortable composure and still lie about you. Why? Because the blood is trained, is thicker than what he's showing in the face. What must I say? Yes. The bloodline. A check it. So wouldn't you put one among one? Don't only celebrate their ideas. Don't only celebrate their intellects. I'm telling you, Obu I born say, and found say no be the boa for one be trying to the boa for so. So sometimes you might think say years of they are afflicting pain, no. But the bloodline in which they come from does not give them access for them to get closer to greatness. And tell me I won't hear. Sister, I don't know this of us part them say, Tipa Sammy or Yede. And this of us a anything disadvantage you. Nipano be one more gem I fear. And permitted so on any particular nante. And the only say a greatness no, or no one say a toilet. So the one being attacked is not at fault. That person is not in pain. But the one doing the attacking is the one that is going through issues. I'm telling you, a guy killed the wife 2 months after marriage. He didn't general court to say, yes, I killed my wife. Why did you kill your wife? I said, I can't tell. I don't know why. You know what the guy said? He said, there is something in my DNA. When I kill, I become happy. Charlie, may you never kill may you never marry your killer in future. Check blood patterns. Oftentimes we just sit down when we think about people that afflicted pain on us. They lied against us. No. Because I did the one and guarantees any palamenya adam for papa to say. Because you know you are a good man, and yet some people would want to harm you. The reason is that there are powers in their house. There are things in their bloodline. It does not give them access to greatness. Until the very day they left you was the day your upliftment came.
I attention TVs one also media na ase ene Queen Basti Foundation the number ene 0548302985 one woni bia janka mo browa prisons ene hefa ai bebi a mo browa bia otimo browa bia wo no na Queen Basti so edin etitle mpacho kakrawa na wo no farma no na wono so emfa enye nyankopon ejima nyankopon ana ebehwa wa ha anamdem besi makwa.